Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video we will learn about punctuation marks कि किस तरह से punctuation marks हमारी हेल्प करते हैं इन academic writing और क्या इनका यूज़ है academic writing के अंदर. Without punctuation marks we cannot learn how to write effectively. Here is the sign of a full stop, or we can say a period, which shows that the sentence is complete. Next is comma. Comma shows that how much information we can add in a sentence with the help of comma. And then is colon. And this sign is called semicolon. After that is question mark. Question mark shows that what we are asking from a person or something, what we are asking about. Then is round bracket. When we close the information, that is called round bracket. And square brackets, these are square brackets. And after that, next is quotation marks. We use while we are quoting something. The apostrophe is like the written after a. A is showing that something is written, and apostrophe has been done, and the ellipsis points, the three dots are ellipsis points. After that, exclamation mark. When we exclaim about something, that is called exclamation mark, and that is underline, which is under the a, and between a and b line is called hyphen, and between a and b is called wiggle or slash mark. Thank you. This is all. I hope you will learn a lot with this.